I bought this really cheap line following robot from Amazon. I think it was about £8, and I thought it would be fun to have a play with it. It actually works a lot better than I was expecting. But I wanted to see if it was any good at drawing. Here I'm using Sharpies, and I've held it onto the robot with a plastic cable tie. I would say use a rubber band. That's probably a little easier to work with, and also probably best not to use Sharpies because they are permanent. Use something water-based. And use lots of different colours. I'm impressed at just how precise this robot works. It produces nice geometric shapes, aside from that bit. Anyway, I thought it would be fun to try some different shapes. And I think angular ones, rather than smooth ones, work better. They produce these nice arcs at the corners. Like that. And for the last shape, I thought it would be nice to try something as angular as possible, so I just went with the triangle. The black pen is just a black permanent marker, by the way. I really like how this one came out. Anyway, thanks for watching, and see you next time.